Hey, you know we're still rolling?
Oh. Hey, world is safe. So, I am going to build this Wilton gingerbread house making kit. And I got this for Christmas, and I'm super happy. And yeah, it's a pre-made one, pre-made house, but not decorated yet. The supplies include a rolling pin, a board, a fork, kitchen scissors. Yes, I know, I say scissors. A spatula, some flat toothpicks, and round toothpicks. Anyway, without further ado, let's begin. Smells gingerbready. Yeah, just taking out all of this. Here's everything, almost everything. Yeah. What do we do with this again? Yeah! Probably a bad idea. Nah, it was a good idea. Alright, so in this kit, there is the gingerbread house pre-assembled in a bag on this plate thing. Some frosting, gumdrops, candy beads. I don't know what they, like hard candies, I think. Some candy canes that are like cut. We have the frosting tip, and then the bag. So I think what we're gonna do here is on the box. Thank you. On the box, there are two different types. There's this one, which I don't really know how to do. Okay, but anyway, I think I'm gonna try to do something like this picture. And then we have the instructions, which are in Spanish and English, but this is just instructions to put the stuff in here and some tips we could do. Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is actually open this with the scissors. Smells gingerbready. Oh, that makes sense. It's a gingerbread house. Then this is what you do with the plastic. Here you go, Daddy. Then you give it to your parent, and then they throw it away for you. Anyway, I think the next thing, I'm just going to put this on here. Put the candies and stuff over there. And let's make the frosting. What? Let's put the frosting into the bag. It's at the top. Anyway. Sorry for the whole face mess. Now, it's time to decorate. So, I think I'm going to do a path. Alright. If only this tip was bigger. Oh my gosh, it's so much. Alright, now I think it's good. Then let's open these gumdrops. red this one. Green. Red. Let's use these beads. Ready? This is like a candy house. I think this is what its theme is. Candy. A whole bunch of candy. Now we just need one. This one little orange guy. Let's move on to the door so something like a gingerbread man or woman can actually get in it. Make it big, thicker. I did it! Now we have to place them on. Will it fit? Nope. Will it fit? Yep. Holy moly. This is harder than I thought. How do you do this? Stay. Please stay. Please. Stay. Stay. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is much harder than I thought. Well, it's good in my opinion, I guess. Anyway, just cover this up. I might attempt icicles. Let's put one gumdrop there. Another purple gumdrop. Let's use the marshmallows. I'll do miniature ones fit. Oh no, one fell. And then you put a little button here, a little dot there. Oh no, this one. So golly. And this one got two. This purple themed door. Alright. I think we'll move on to the side. I can work like this. I think I'm just gonna pipe some icing on. Oh my gosh, I thought that was gonna fall. And then do like this, like the curtains here. Maybe. I wonder if I can do the curtains. Oh no. It fell. This is like oobleck. Oh, this frosting. I'm just gonna pipe this like this. I think I'll just frost this. I think that's enough. I'll just stick a bunch of these on. Let's do this. Take a few. Oh my gosh, I feel like they're gonna fall. And then, nope, that didn't work. I missed it. Let's put them on. This is a gingerbread making kit fail. That's my house. Well, my window. One of them. Let's turn to the next window. Let's see if I can make it a bit better. Just a bit, yeah. Just think I'm gonna do casual window. Please don't fall frosting. The ooh like frosting. Then I'll put some. Oh my gosh, they scare me. Ah, these beads. Like when they're close to falling, they scare me because they look like they are gonna fall. Alright, now I think I'm gonna work on the roof and wait for the back. I might not do that, but let's just work on the roof. The magical roof. Ah, why? Why does this happen to me? It's got out again. I think this kit is fun, but pretty messy. It's not as easy as I thought. I thought it was going to be much easier. Alright guys, so before my dad takes this over, because I honestly don't really know what I'm doing now, remember to hit that like button and also subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to let my dad do this now, so see you later. Oh, this is good. Oh, hey guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And and yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey, you know we're still rolling?
Oh.